Nó tiếng hai ở đang lạnh to đo bằng tuổi nè.
But I always get to school early before 6:30 because as class monitor, it is my job to make sure the students clean the classroom before school starts. I never late, and the classroom is always clean. When Miss arrive or Miss Ma'am arrive after school, I always stay for extra lessons, usually until noon or 1 o'clock. I always stop at the
Photocopy shop.
shop on my way home because as a class monitor, it is my job to make copies of the
Okay, stop.
for class the
Stop.
next day.
You continue.
In the afternoon, I go to my family or pharmacy to help out in usually berries, vaccine. So I
Often.
practice playing on
Traditional instrument.
Instrument I play
Call a cloy. Okay, ta. Stop. Bỏ. Đi đá.
It's like I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. I never eat breakfast. Instead, I sleep late.
Ăn lên đi
I
mất.
hardly never walk to school because I'm too lazy. My brother usually bring me to school on his bicycle. I often get bored at school because I'm so smart and I know everything already. But I always enjoy dance class. I am an amazing dancer, so the teacher often asks me to help my classmates learn new steps. When school at 11 o'clock, I always go to the market where my family sells clothing and eat lunch with my mom. After lunch, I stay
Okay,
at the
stop. Mr. May.
at the market to sell clothes. I always learn a lot about money because I know so much about fashion. After I finish at the market, I often go to learn traditional dance. I go to home and eat dinners with my family.
Go home ấy. Mình go to home được. Mr. Sat. Yeah, from the beginning.
I always wake up at sunrise to practice Bogota with my grandfather at his Bogota club. He is very